Little tuna rice bowl for lunch with some leftovers. Got this leftover Galbi we'll use too. So first thing, let's warm up this Galbi and rice. I'm gonna put this Galbi just in the broiler for a little bit. I got this rice. Wear a little paper towel. Like 2 minutes. Let's get this tuna going. I'm gonna drain a little oil from this tuna. It's a really basic tuna salad. Got some leftover onion. Let's cut like a little bit. Onion in. Really quick, gonna turn on this pan for some eggs. A little mayo, salt, a little pepper. Mix it up. A little butter into the pan. 2 eggs in. A little bit of green onion. Chop up the green onion. Rice out. I'm gonna flip these eggs. Galbi should be done too. Assemble. Got some radish and fish cake. Radish over here. Galbi right here with the onions. Eggs on this side. Green onions. Little sesame oil. Furikake. Then we got our seaweed right here, just for the looks. Cool. Can't forget the bev. Let's eat our Galbi bite. A little tuna, a little rice. Some eggs. A little radish. Keeping it healthy. Fish cake, so good. Okay, I'm gonna finish this. Goodbye.